we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city. We'll be looking at how to say more names from more video games, mangas, and animes as well. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So how do you pronounce that? There are three most common pronunciations: Onett, 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 or Onett. Yes, so Onett, Onett, or Onett. And no one is exactly sure. Nobody has ever said absolutely which one is the most correct one or which one is the one. I personally think it's Onett. I mean, look at it. It says one and then double T. I actually think it's Onett, Onett, because there's two T's, right? That makes more sense to me. But what do you think? How do you pronounce it? Let's make a poll in the comments. Do you pronounce it Onett, Onett, or Onett? How do you pronounce it? And do you like my Onett pronunciations? Let me know. Thanks for watching.